Hi, Preksha. How are you?
I'm good, doctor. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Tell me, how can I help you?
You know, I work in industry and there's the pigmentation and everything. I'm a bit conscious about it. So please,
Okay, since how long are you having this pigmentation?
it's been like 3 to 4 months.
Okay, let's see. Let's examine your skin. Can you hold this mirror for me?
Sure, sure.
Okay. We have the right treatment for you today. Let's go. We've done a bio peel for her, which is going to take care of her marks, pigmentation, acne, oiliness, and will help to get a clear skin.